Hello students, good evening. Standard 8, Class 3, Term 1, Unit 1, The Woman on Platform 8, written by Ruskin Bond, Supplementary Reader. Students, last lesson we learned about father's love, and this supplementary reader we are going to see an anonymous mother loves with a little boy. In this world, love is a valuable thing. If we love our parents, grandparents, brothers, sisters, relations, and friends, it is a natural thing. When we stand in a railway station or a bus stop, a stranger comes and talks with us in a friendly and affectionate manner. That is a special thing. In this lesson, we are going to see like an incident happen to a boy Arun in the railway platform number 8. First, let us see the author of this story, Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is a short story writer, novelist, and poet, the favorite writer of Indian children. His first novel, Room on the Roof, was published when he was still in his teenage. This novel won him the John Rice Memorial Award in 1957. He also writes about children and the simple hill folk of Uttarakhand. Simplicity and fluency of language and an insight into human nature are hallmarks of his style. His major writings include An Island of Trees, A Bond with the Mountains, and The India I Love. He has also been honored with the Sakitya Academy Award for his contribution to Indian literature. The characters of this story are Arun, the strange lady, Satish, and Satish's mother. This story was narrated by the boy Arun. Arun was studying in a boarding school. He had been studied there for 2 years. He sat on platform number 8 at Ambala station waiting for the northern bound train. He was about 12 years old boy. His parents considered him he could travel alone. So he reached Ambala station by bus early in the evening, and the train would reach the station at midnight only. Till that time, Arun was waiting in the platform number 8. He passed his time by walking the platform up and down, looking at the bookstall. Arun hesitated to go with her, but the strange lady took him by the hand. She told a coolie to take care of his suitcase and took him into the station dining room. She ordered tea, samosas, and jalebis. And at once, Arun, as a hungry schoolboy, he started to eat. And Arun started to talk with the lady very seriously and friendly. He shared his likes and dislikes, but they did not talk about their family and where they lived. They spent half an hour in the dining room. Now Arun and the strange lady walked along the platform number 8. That time a boy jumped and crossed the rails to reach the next platform. He had fallen, so he escaped from a severe accident. Arun caught the lady's hands. Her face was appeared in pain. She watched the boy till he crossed the next platform. Arun and the lady reached the place where they left his suitcase. There they met his schoolmate Satish. Satish introduced Arun to his mother. Satish's mother felt that the strange lady was Arun's mother. The strange lady did not allow Arun to talk anything, and she accepted she was Arun's mother. Satish's mother advised standing alone in the railway platform was dangerous. The strange lady told that Arun could travel alone. Satish's mother advised Arun to be careful and not to talk with strangers. Arun looked at the strange lady and replied that he liked strangers. Sati's mother advised Arun continuously, but Arun did not agree her talk. Then the train arrived. A huge crowd rushed on the platform. Now the train moved slowly with a hissing sound. Satish jumped on the footboard and shouted at Arun. Arun picked up his suitcase and made a dash for the open door, and both placed themselves. The two ladies stood outside. Sati's mother advised him not to move in the moving train, and too much of advice. Sati's mother gave fruit baskets, chocolate tin, and cricket bat, and asked Satish to share with Arun. And she watched the strange lady. Arun hated Sati's mother's attitude without reasoning. Arun held the strange lady's hand and looked straight into the eyes of the woman. She smiled at Arun. Arun leaned out his head and kissed her. The train started to move. The lady drew her hand away. Satish said his mother goodbye, and Arun also said goodbye, mother, with the strange lady. Arun looked her through the window. Sati's mother talked something with the strange lady, but she did not listen anything what Sati's mother talked. She watched Arun as the train took Arun away. Okay, students, I hope you all have understood the story, The Woman on Platform 8. Listen and watch the video very carefully once more and understand the story. Thank you.